Possible to snap top/bottom instead of just left/right in Windows 7. In Windows 7, I know you can do Windows plus left to put a window in the left half of the screen. Is there a feature that will do top and bottom?
No. The only snap options available are left half snap, Windows plus left, right half snap, Windows plus right, full screen height snap, Windows plus shift plus up, maximize snap, Windows plus up, and snap, Windows plus down. Snap to next monitor, display, Windows plus shift plus, left or right. Edit other awesome combinations you might like. Minimize all, Windows plus M. Minimize all but active window, Windows plus home. Arrow peak, view desktop, all windows become transparent, Windows plus space.
I use the following steps to accomplish this. Windows plus D, to minimize all windows. Then use my mouse to place the windows I want to stack in the general placement on each monitor. Don't bother resizing them. Then right-click on the taskbar and select Show Windows Stacked from the context menu, then restore any other windows that I want. Note, you must minimize any windows that you don't want stacked. This is what step 1 is intended to do.
I wrote a little auto hotkey script to snap the windows top and bottom because I was frustrated about this too. You can download it from my website, this URL.
Windows Space provides this functionality. To do what you're asking for, go to the Moving and Resizing tab in Settings. For top edge, choose Move to the top side. For bottom edge, choose Move to the bottom side. Screenshot.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.